Hey folks, DIY Dan here, and today we're going to talk about something that no DIYer or mechanic wants to see. But first, I need to introduce you to my daughter's car. It's a 1999 Saturn SL2. It has 100 and something thousand miles on it, like 50 or something like that, which isn't bad for its age. It's a good starter car. And of course it has its issues. I've done a lot of work to it, none of which I filmed because it's all been stuff I've never done before. But I've replaced the AC, I've replaced the entire AC system, the entire brake system except the brake lines, a few other things, spark plugs, that kind of stuff when I got it. Got a good deal on it. Unfortunately, I just discovered a problem today with it. My daughter told me it didn't have any heat, so I checked it out. It didn't, and found out it was no coolant in it, but no evidence of a leak. And those of you mechanics know that that's never good. I did check the oil initially, and the oil was fine, so I put more water in it and stuff. Noticed that the fan never kicked on, so I figured, well, the fan's gone because it got up to temperature and the fan never kicked on. I'm like, well, there's your problem, lady. So I tried to fix it that way. I bought the fan, and I'm like, well, since I didn't want to replace the overflow bottle, so I'm like, I'll just drain the system, just replace the thermostat, the water pump, the bottle, and the fan, and everything will be great, because I don't know when the last time it was done. Unfortunately, today, when I checked the oil again, I noticed that, you guessed it, there's water in it. Now, there's not a lot, but there's enough that it has started to turn the oil milky. Now, it's not the bright milky color, but it's that milky color anyway. So, fearing the worst, I went ahead and took the valve cover the valve cover off and confirmed exactly what I was afraid of. So now I don't know if it's the head is cracked or it's just the head gasket is cracked. Either way, that's beyond my ability to fix because I don't have the appropriate tools, so I'm going to have to take it to a shop. I'll put pictures up showing exactly what it looked like. I'll do that now. So there you go. There's a picture of the inside of the crankshaft. Well, you see it there. I'm sorry, I'm just flustered because I'm upset. There's a picture of the valve, the inside of the valve cover. I just put it all back together, and because it was sitting in behind my car that actually works, I just moved it back to where it was, and no one's going to be driving this till I can figure out how much it's going to cost to get fixed and if it's even worth it at this point. I hope so. I hope it's just the gasket and not the head itself. Alright, so just wanted to show you those pictures and introduce you to my daughter's car that I don't know if she's going to have very long at this point. I hope so, because we just bought 4 new tires for it. So alright, well, we'll keep you posted, and I'll make a follow-up video, let you know how much it's going to cost. I know diagnostics is going to be almost $200 just for them to pull that stuff apart to look. So, and I know the place I take it to, they include, they add that, or they don't add it to the price, they credit you that amount when you get the work done. So, I'll be back to let you know. So until then, this is DIY Dan saying, we'll see you next time.